Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're moving our bodies in an easy and gentle way. If you like moving and stretching with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can keep doing yoga together. Ready? Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Standing tall with feet hip-width apart, arms lifted overhead, hands together, upper body leaning gently to each side. Switch sides. Stand on one leg. Bend the other leg back and hold your foot or ankle with the hand on the same side. Extend your other arm forward for balance. Open your chest and gently lengthen your body. Alternate between left and right. Stand tall with legs wide apart and arms stretched out to the sides, forming a big star shape. Body stays upright and stable. Stand with feet wide apart, toes turned out. Bend knees deeply. Bring arms up with elbows bent at shoulder level. Strong and grounded. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile.
Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms.
Front leg straight, torso leaning over it. One arm up and one arm down. Chest open. Alternate between left and right. Keep your front knee bent. Lift your front arm up and back. Feel a gentle stretch through your side body. Breathe in confidence. Then repeat on the opposite side. Sit tall, soles of the feet together, knees relaxed outward, hands holding feet gently. Lie on your back with the legs extended long and arms stretched overhead like a full body morning stretch. Sit comfortably and take slow, gentle breaths. Feel your body resting on the mat. Breathe in calmly through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth, letting your body feel easy and relaxed. Great job, yoga buddies! You did such an amazing job moving your body today. If you enjoyed this easy movement yoga, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time. Namaste.